So welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we are going to code our black piano keys. But before that we need to code our one more drawable resource file that we have left in our previous lecture. So switch back to Android Studio and simply open the black piano key selector file because we have actually forgot this to code. So simply click on this text and here we need to specify some code. So first you need to open an item tag, and inside of the item you need to specify Android state pressed equal to true. And after that we need to specify Android drawable resource file. So drawable, and for there we will be use key pressed. For key pressed, yes, we need to specify black piano key pressed black key. So this will be the selector that we created for the black piano key. Then we need to specify padding top. First we need to type Android and padding top. Simply hit OK, and here we need to specify 10 SP. After that we need to close the item tag. Then after closing the item tag, you need to open one more item tag. Simply type item and here to specify Android drawable, and for there we will use black normal. So normal key press is for white, our pink piano keys. So here is our normal black key. Simply hit tab and simply type another attribute, that is Android layout margin top. So here we need to type layout. So first we need to type Android, then we need to type layout margin top equal to, and we need to specify margin top value to 50 dp. Then we need to close the item tag. So that's all about the black piano key selector.xml file code. So in next lecture we are going to use this slide on our black piano key buttons. So that's all about this lecture. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.